Welcome back to the Wicker Basket Homestead. It's a bit windy out, so hopefully you can hear me all right. Just wanted to give an update on the rain gutter. I went through tonight and I started trimming out some of the lettuce and arugula, and here, for example, is a beet green, and there's a couple. Here's a nasturtium leaf. So, not a ton. Small little salad here. But really, I think pretty highly nutritious, and a mix of different flavors here. So excited to eat that when I go back inside. But overall, the rain gutter, so I started this on, I think it was April 5th or 6th. It's doing really good, a little over a month. I'm gonna run through some of the stuff here that's growing. Right here is a sunflower. We've got this right here is a pea plant. These leaves are from a radish that came up, it looks like. So you can see right here is the radish. Perspective without my hand, but so we've got a handful of those coming up. The light yellow here is butter crunch lettuce. I'm sorry, I think it's a black Samson lettuce. On this side here, this side of the rain gutter, we've got a lot of arugula growing. So you can see in here all these plants here, arugula, and just have that down this whole close side of the rain gutter. Primarily I did arugula on this side, and then over on this side is where I did most of the lettuce, and then down the middle the peas and some of the other random stuff we have. I think I said this was a beet green. This might actually be Swiss chard. I'm not 100% positive. They're in the same family. I might have done both. I just can't quite remember. I've got another sunflower here, nasturtium. Nasturtium's actually a really cool plant. It has a peppery taste. You can eat all parts of it. So the leaves you can put in a salad or saute. You can eat the seeds that have kind of like a black pepper taste. You can even eat the flowers, and the flowers are really cool looking. This is another plant that is a benefit to plant in the garden because it'll attract some beneficial insects, and then also it will act as a trap crop for some other insects that would potentially eat the things that you want to grow. And so it would pull those insects off. So just kind of a benefit to have in the garden, because it's bring in some good bugs, detract the bad ones from what you are trying to grow, and then just offer a nice flower. So tonight, after the sun goes down, which it is getting pretty close here, I'm going to try to plant this out. And the idea would be to basically just slide the soil off the rain gutter and put it into the garden just right on top of where I have it prepared. And then hopefully the peas really will take off and start growing up the fence. Hopefully the sunflowers, will not get eaten by the groundhog, and will grow into some nice things that either the peas can climb up or sunflower, flower, and seeds later in the year. So just want to give a quick update. This is about a little over a month in, and going to try to get this transplanted into the garden. And then up next would be to restart this same process with beans. So that is the idea. I can't plant beans outside yet. It's still a little too cold at night, but I'll be able to get them started in here. I'm growing in my garage with a couple of grow lights on timers, and then when we get nice sunny days, I'll bring them out and just put it in my driveway to help harden them off. So yeah, that's what's going on with the rain gutter experiment. Talk to you later.